In this video, I want to talk about these heavy-duty shelf brackets. They come in white or black, different sizes. This one in particular is a 10-inch from the back right here to the front. This is 1/4-inch steel, really strong, and you can install them like this to have kind of a floating shelf look, or put them like this. That's totally up to you. I like them like this. They come with a level, so you can level them like this or like this, as long as your wall is level. It also comes with really strong, nice long screws. These are 1.5 inches. Comes with shorter screws to attach to the shelf. It's recessed on this side, but not on this side. You also have these anchors for concrete, and then these nice big anchors for drywall. The way this is right here, you're more than likely only going to be able to get into one stud. They are about 2.5 inches apart. So what I did was I made sure to get into a stud here, and then I used the anchors, the drywall anchors on this side. And they are really strong. I like the look of them. They're nice and sleek, and as I said, really strong. Really simple to install. In fact, I'll give you a quick demonstration of how I did it. Hope the video helps. That's too bad. Oh yeah, I need 6 hands for this. Okay. That is how I built these pantry shelves. And they are nice and smooth, easy to clean, nice and strong, and there's a ton of storage in here, and a coffee bar for my wife. So I'm happy, and most importantly, she's happy. So if you needed to do something like this, I hope the video helps out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.